1 cup of almond flour, 2 spoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sweetener. Mix well. One egg beaten, half cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, add half cup of Greek yogurt unflavored. Mix well until well combined. Prepare the muffin liners. Pour the batter in each muffin liners. Bake for 400 degrees in 15 to 18 minutes. Powder with sweetener. Melted butter. Crush melted butter each muffins. Well done! Now, let's taste it! This is so nice, fluffy and moist. Delicious. Try this guys, low carb cinnamon donut muffins.